how to use Visual Studio Code for CSS. In this video, I'll show you how to use Visual Studio Code to write and style your website using CSS step by step, even if you are a beginner. So let's get started. First, make sure that you have downloaded Visual Studio Code on device. After that, click on search bar and open Visual Studio Code. You'll see this welcome page. Now create a new folder for your project. Here I have already created this HTML project. Now under this folder, simply add a new file by clicking on this option and give your CSS file a name. And make sure to add .css at the end. After that, your CSS file will be opened on Visual Studio Code. Here you can write your code according to your requirement, and don't forget to link your HTML code with your CSS to make it look more appealing to the viewer. And that's it. This is how you can use Visual Studio Code for CSS. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.